Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a kitty, so let's get started. The colors you'll need are burnt orange for the fur, pink for the inside of the ears, green for the grass, and yellow for the sun. And you'll need a pencil to draw with. And please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get drawing. So first, and before we actually start, I'm gonna make this kitty sitting. So we're gonna make the head on top of the paper like that, and then you just do the same eyes. Just draw circles, then draw two little circles inside, and then just go that in. And I think on the videos that I'm making animals, I'm gonna add eyelashes because I really like to add eyelashes to pictures. So maybe I'll do that. And remember, if you want to make it a boy, don't add the eyelashes. And then do the same that we did in the bunny video where we drew a rabbit. Just draw like a cute little mouth and a nose. And then you color that in. And then add the ears, pointed ears, because cats have pointed ears. And then draw the inside. And now let's draw the body. So we're just gonna I'm gonna make it simple. So just draw a big oval like that. Then what you want to do is draw 4 lines, but add space in the middle like that. And because that's for the feet. And then just draw 3 little toes like that. And maybe do that. And do it on every single one. That, and then draw a big shape like that, and do the same on the other side. Do that big shape, and then you can draw those lines so they look more like paws. And let's draw the tail. Then make it come back. And then we're gonna draw the grass because you see we have green, the grass. And I made it kind of high, so I'm gonna do the grass pretty high, like that. So it'll take me a long time to color in the grass, kinda. And draw the sun by drawing a big circle, and then remember to draw the lines so it looks more like a sun. And while we're drawing that, have you noticed that on my pencil I have cute kittens while I'm drawing a kitty? It's kind of cool, right? Okay, that was a lot of lines to draw, but and one more thing before we do that, let's draw a little tongue. And I'm gonna draw a zigzag here. So, because I'm gonna leave this pipe white, I mean. let's color. So let's use pink first to color in that. And let's color in the sun. And another thing you have to remember is that if your drawing doesn't look like mine, don't get mad or frustrated. It's okay. And then it'll take me kind of a long time to do this. But I'll try to do it as fast as I can, so it doesn't take like a very long time. I'm kind of doing the same thing with the bunny video because I've done the sun and the grass, and I'm doing this with the kitty. And now let's color in the grass. I'm trying not to get the color into my table because it's white, and I kind of did that, but it's fine. Okay, now that we colored in the grass, now let's color in the kitty. And you can press kind of hard on this because it doesn't really matter what type of fur they have, and you can do whatever color you want. But I'm just doing burnt orange. Like if you press hard, it looks like that, kind of like an orange dark color, kinda. Okay. And if you did the same as me and you want to do the same like I did, don't color in this because if you did that and you wanted it like that, you shouldn't color in that. But if you leave that off, those zigzags off, you don't have to do that. You can just color in that part if you didn't do the zigzags. And if you didn't want to copy me. And coloring the feet, don't forget that too. And then just color in the other foot. And there we drew a cute kitty. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a great thumbs up. Thanks everyone for watching this video.